The bone crushing handshake. Imagine you walk in a room and there's 1 to 5 guys in the same room. So what would you do? How do you meet them? You meet them by handshake. Yeah, I know some guys prefer fist bumps, yeah, hugs and all. तुमने first से handshake की, then the second, then the third, and the fourth one. But you noticed a one thing, the fifth guy. He literally crushed your hand. And here you are thinking competition कम नहीं है. There are some men out there who's working so hard. And they have higher testosterone levels than you. So I'm not going to waste your time. Quick introduction. My name is Udit Sharma. I'm always been passionate about personal growth and self-improvement, and that's what the channel is all about. I believe that we all have the masculine energy to transform our lives and become the best version of ourselves. Do you think your ancestors live like this? Just think about it for a second, brother. Just think about it for a second. Do you think your ancestors live like this? Or maybe like handshake like this, like a dead body? No. Why? Because they have high testosterone levels than you. And they only eat meat. They only eat meat. And people nowadays eating what? Processed foods in a packet and drinking sodas or something like that. Bro, these things are lowering your testosterone levels. And तुम्हें पता ही है कि like high testosterone levels तुम्हारी body के लिए कितने important है. अभी तुम कर रहे होगे manage, but in future, I guess you can't even survive on a low T. I'm repeating again. अभी तुम कर रहे होगे manage, but in future you can't even survive on a low T. अब तुम सोच रहे होगे उदय a strong masculine handshake and a high testosterone levels, दोनों का क्या ही रोल है? दोनों का like क्या ही रोल है same? But it is. A strong masculine handshake shows who you are. अगर तुम्हें example चाहिए then go to your friend अभी. Like if you're watching this video, go to your friend. या maybe like जिससे तुम मिलते हो day to day basis पे. I'm not saying कि अब like तुम woman के साथ ऐसे handshake करो. No, obviously not. Women are obviously on the feminine side. You can't treat them like this. I'm just talking about men only. Just go to your friend या तुम जिससे day to day basis पे मिलते हो and make sure you crushed his hand. Make sure तुम उसे handshake करो and you crushed his hand. तुम्हें notice दिख जाएगा. You notice the difference. Maybe like वो maybe like हो सकता है वो like उसके बाद तुमसे कभी like handshake ही ना करे. कभी like थोड़ा से बोले कि like नहीं तू ज़्यादा की handshake करता है जो भी है. I remember in my first semester मेरे college में I was the only guy जो like इतना strong handshake करता था. अभी भी obviously I was the only guy जो अभी strong handshake करता है. And में से कोई handshake नहीं करता है. Like obviously बहुत कम लोग करते हैं but सारे नहीं. में से कोई इतना handshake नहीं करता है. And they know कि like मैं जब में से वो handshake करेंगे I crush their hand. फिर जब भी मुझे वो दिखते हैं वो obviously दूर से ही like hi hello बोलते हैं simple. Bro, you have to focus on yourself. You have to make yourself proud. Come on, you can't live like this. Be a man. मैं यहाँ पे कोई चीज़ complicate नहीं कर रहा हूँ. It's that simple. It's that simple. You just have to focus on yourself. You just have to like crush the hand. It's that simple. Because like a strong masculine handshake shows who you are. It shows who you are. अगर तुम like एक dead body की तरह handshake करोगे like this, it's not gonna happen. Like I'm saying, it's not gonna happen. मैं आपको कुछ complicate नहीं कर रहा हूँ. It's that simple. I guess like now you are thinking कि like Uday, like how do I improve my like handshake or something जो भी है. Bro, just go to the gym. Just go to the gym and train your arms. Eat healthy. अब like अगर तुम already gym जाते हो, better for you. But अगर तुम gym नहीं जाते हो, bro, just go to the gym. If you're not going to the gym, if you're not taking care of yourself, it means you are disrespecting yourself. If you're not taking care of yourself, it means you're disrespecting yourself. Choice is yours. I guess मैंने ये quote पढ़ी थी. There are two types of pain, the pain of discipline and the pain of regret. Choice is yours, brother. Choose कर लो कोई भी. कोई चीज़ कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं हो रही है. It's that simple. Just go to the gym. Because like अगर तुम gym जाओगे, obviously it boosts your mood, it boosts your confidence as well. Confidence built होगा, then obviously like तुम easily handshake करोगे, तुम easily like strong masculine handshake करोगे किसी के साथ भी. It's better for you. I know you can do this. It's easy and it's simple. कोई चीज़ tough नहीं है. We are men. We have to work hard this time. We have to focus on ourselves. I know you can do this. Believe in yourself. Brother, if you can believe it, bro, you can achieve it. मैं ट्राई करूँगा कि मैं अब आई गेस डेली बेसिस पे वीडियोस अपलोड करूँगा. Remember, if you can believe it, bro, you can achieve it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.